it's Amanda here from Lolli Lulu Crafts, and today I just wanted to do a quick video to show you the different ways you can subscribe to me and access me, including Instagram, because I have a new thing on Instagram that I wanted to show you how that worked as well. So most of you will probably come across me initially through YouTube. We're on one of my YouTube videos here, so I thought I would show you just a couple of points on here first of all. So if you're new to me and you haven't subscribed, it's very simple. All you need to do is click this big red button here that says subscribe, and basically all that will do is bring my videos up in your YouTube feed, but you may or may not see them because it really depends on when you access your feed as to what videos are up at any given moment. So if you want to be sure to know about them, what you want to do is click this little bell, which is basically saying that you'll receive notification, absolute notification of a video of mine going up. So definitely worth doing that. Now the other thing that I always have on my YouTube videos now, so the older videos won't have this, but I'm talking like probably 4 or 5 years back now. If you click on show more, you'll see that this paragraph here underneath the video opens up. So you've got a number of things that I do consistently. So I'll have here corresponding blog post and a link. So if you click on that link, it will take you to the blog post that is appropriate or corresponding to the video that you're watching. So this is a video, the Old to New Peruvian Lily, and the blog post will be for the same. Now you may think, well, why do you want to go over to the blog post if you've watched the video? Well, the main reason is obviously that'll be a bit of a chat, but the main reason is there will be a ton of photographs, as you can see now, and also you will have all the product links, and again you can see there's a ton. I can't put all of those on YouTube, there just isn't the space. So while you're on my website, what you could do is actually subscribe to my website. Now all you need to do is enter your email here. You'll see it's at the top here on the right hand menu. You just put in your email, click subscribe, and then what will happen is every time I do a post, which is only for videos, I don't do posts for anything else, so you'll only get that for videos, is you will get an email straight into your inbox with a link to the video post, so you can go straight to that post. For example, you get an email about this one and you could click on it and it would literally take you straight here where you would have the video, all the photos and everything. The other thing that you will see on my website is there is a number of little side flags for different social medias. So obviously you've got YouTube, but you've also got Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram, Google, etc. So you've got all of those that you can click on. Now the other thing that I wanted to share with you was Instagram. So if you wanted to click on that, it would take you, or you could do it on your phone, it would take you over to my Instagram page. And on my Instagram page you will see a lot of photographs of projects that you might not have seen elsewhere, especially if you've only been following me on my website, because I put up a lot of photos from older video projects that maybe you haven't seen before. I also put up photos of things that haven't been a project at all, so it's quite good to see that. But you might be thinking, well, that's all very well, but if I like that project, how am I going to find it? Well, I have an easy way for you, because I've set up this link in profile service, I guess you'd call it. So all you do is when you're in my Instagram, whether it's on your phone or tablet or whatever, or on your computer, you just go to the top in my bio here and you click on link in profile, and it brings up this page, as I say, or wherever you are, it will bring up a page like this, and basically you will see a project that you might like, and all you have to do is then click on it. So if we clicked on, say, this one here, say you liked it, and it would take you to that project. Now that may be that it's a project on my website, or it could be that it's a project on YouTube only, because I've only done a video on it. So for example, this one was an older video, so older project, so I didn't have a post on it, so there's only a video. And if there isn't a link, so you may sometimes see there's slight differences. So let's see, okay, it's not really, you wouldn't want to look at a flower anyway, but just as an example, this flower, you obviously wouldn't want to link about a flower, so you won't find that on here because I've made it invisible. So it's definitely worth going to my Instagram because I post all the time on there, and you'll see lots of stuff that you're not necessarily seeing elsewhere. Okay, so I hope that has helped. I hope that I will see some more of you on my website signing up, and on Instagram too. So thank you so much for watching this, and I will see you again soon for a project.